Today I will show you how you can easily perform cost calculations based on the geometric features of a 3D model directly inside NX. On the screen, you can see the NX environment with the integrated Siemens classmate plugins. These allow me to calculate manufacturing costs directly from the displayed 3D model, without leaving the NX system. The software automatically analyzes the shape of the part and determines the required manufacturing processes, such as turning, milling, or drilling. Within seconds, we receive a detailed cost calculation. This includes setup and programming costs, rough machining, and all required routing steps, such as material cutting, deburring, machine setup, and clamping operations. At the moment, product manufacturing information, such as tolerances or surface roughness, is still missing. To increase the accuracy, I can simply add the technical drawing as a PDF to the model. The drawing is now analyzed automatically. The software detects matching geometries, identifies tolerances, surface specifications, and material information, and assigns them to the correct faces of the 3D model. After recalculating, we can immediately see the updated cost result. Because of the tighter tolerance, an additional grinding operation is required. In this case, cylindrical grinding, which is automatically included in the calculation and reflected in the total cost. With the automated analysis of CAD geometry, PMI data, and technical drawings, the software generates precise manufacturing cost calculations within seconds, reducing manual effort, increasing accuracy, and giving you full cost transparency directly inside NX.